All right, we are now on exercise 18, editing pattern colors. So let's just go to our example. This is what we are going to be working on. We're going to use one of our Snap Fashion images, and we are going to color it first, and then we're going to edit the colors. So I'll show you a very easy way to do that. It's actually a pretty easy assignment, so go ahead and pull up Snap Fashion, and I'm going to select this because this is just easy to do. So I'm going to copy this and let's open a new page and paste it. Okay. I'm going to put this here. Okay, Shift and Option together. And what I'm going to do is just select them all, copy and paste right here so that we have 6 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and select everything, move it a little bit down, and I'm going to title this as pattern color editing exercise. All right, so let's go ahead and start. We're going to go here. We're going to do live paint make so that we can color different parts in different patterns. And we are going to go to our paint bucket, and we want to put a pattern here first. So you can go to patterns. Yeah, I'm going to select the foliage. So let's see what it looks like. And you can okay, I'm going to do it this way. And then I'm going to do the same thing on all of them. So select object, live paint make, and then we go to our paint bucket, and we are going to select let's do all of it's the same pattern. We're going to do this one. I just do that. And on this one, I want to make the sleeves a little bit different. So let's select. And I'm going to select this for the sleeves. And next one. You can also do this by clicking on Option, Command, and X. Okay, so I have all my colors done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select each one, and I'm going to go to Edit, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork. Okay, so here you can see all the options. You can click on Advanced Options to see what else you can do. And you can also go here and select maybe like a complementary type colors so that you edit the colors that way. So when you go to here, you can also just change the complementary colors a little bit if you like, if you want to make them, more pinks and greenish colors. So you can make adjustments here as well. Okay, so let's just keep that way. We'll select this one, edit colors, recolor artwork. Advanced options. Let's see. Let's do this. And this is what it does. And you can, again, just play with these colors and change the colors a little bit. So you can make a lot of changes. Okay, and here, you can invert colors as well. But because this is a black and white, it's just going to invert it to white. Yeah, with the black and white colors, there's not a lot of options. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to go ahead and change the pattern to a colored pattern. Okay, and then on the sleeves, I'm going to do this. Okay, now we can select, edit colors. So we can do like that. You can also change the theme here, but I'm going to leave this one. So let's do this. I'm going to go to ice cream. Okay. And then it's going to give us some like complementary colors to this. I can change this to celebration. Okay, celebration, you get a lot of interesting colors. So let's try a high contrast. Okay. And then this one. We can do left complement. And here, we can select something that has more of yellows, and we can do it this way. Okay, so that's all you have to do. We're going to save this. And this is going to be exercise 18. Editing pattern colors.